If your Android is stuck in safe mode, it can limit functionality and disable third-party apps. In this video, we'll explore the causes and solutions to get your device back to normal. Part 1. Why is Android stuck in safe mode? Accidental activation, power plus volume, faulty buttons, stuck keys, problematic apps, conflicts, system glitches, bugs, cache, recent updates, compatibility, corrupted settings, damaged, malware, harmful apps, boot loop, prevents failure. Part 2. How to fix Android phone stuck in safe mode in 9 ways. Way 1. Tap the safe mode notification and confirm to restart in normal mode. This re-enables third-party apps. Way 2. Restart your phone. Hold the power button to open the menu, then tap restart. If no option, tap power off, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Avoid pressing volume buttons during startup. Way 3. Remove or reinsert battery if possible. If your phone has a removable battery, power it off, remove the battery for 30 seconds, reinsert it, and power the phone back on to clear glitches. Way 4. Power off, turn on, and hold volume down when the logo appears. Release when safe mode off shows. Way 5. Exit safe mode, go to settings apps, uninstall suspicious apps, then restart. Way 6. Option 1. In settings apps, clear cache for problem apps, then restart. Option 2. Reset all app preferences. Open settings apps or applications. Tap the 3-dot menu or more reset app preferences. Confirm the action. This will reset disabled apps, notifications, and permissions but won't delete personal data. Restart your phone to apply changes and exit safe mode. Way 7. Update Android in settings system software update. Restart after installing. Way 8. Backup data, then reset in settings system reset options. Way 9. Check for stuck or damaged buttons. Get repairs if needed. Part 3. What if Android safe mode is still not turning off? Ultimate fix. For quick fixes to Android issues like safe mode, boot loops, and black screens, try Android Repair. It works on all devices, no root required, with a high success rate and minimal data loss. How do I fix Android phone stuck in safe mode with Android Repair? Launch the software, go to System Repair, and connect your Android via USB. Select Android Repair, verify device info, then click Start. Enter device details, type 00000 and click Confirm. Follow instructions to enter download mode, then click Next to download firmware and fix the issue.